In today's video, we are going to cover how to delete bank account in Xero. Start from inside Xero with the correct organization already open. This matters because the bank account has to be managed from the organization where it was created. Once you are in the right file, move to the top navigation bar and click Accounting. From the Accounting menu, select Bank Accounts. Xero will open the list of bank accounts connected to that organization. Take a moment here to identify the one you want to remove and make sure you are selecting the correct account before you continue. When you have found it, open that bank account's options. From there, go into the bank account details for the selected account. This is the area where Xero displays the account information, and in a standard organization, this is where management actions would normally be available. If you are working inside a demo organization, this is the point where Xero shows a message saying that bank account details cannot be edited in a demo organization. That message is the key detail in this process because it explains why the account cannot be removed from that particular file. Since the bank account details are locked in the demo organization, the delete option is not available there. So even though you can open the account details and view the information, you will not be able to make changes to the bank account itself. If you are expecting to see a delete control and it is missing, the demo organization restriction is the reason. After confirming that message, click Close to exit the bank account details window. That takes you back out of the account details view so you can leave the demo file without making any changes. To actually delete a bank account in Xero, you need to switch to a non-demo organization where you have the required permissions. Once you are in that live organization, you can manage the bank account there instead. The important point is that deletion cannot be completed from the demo organization, even if you can navigate all the way to the bank account details screen. So the process here is partly about navigation and partly about confirming the limitation. You open the organization, go to Accounting, choose Bank Accounts, locate the account, open its options, and view the bank account details. Then, if the organization is a demo file, Xero blocks editing and does not provide a delete option. At that stage, the correct next move is to close the details window and switch to a non-demo organization to continue account management. Thanks for watching. You have now confirmed that bank accounts cannot be deleted in a Xero demo organization and that the deletion must be done from a non-demo organization with the right permissions.